Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the model and Android version so you know which settings to change. Restart both the phone and the router, because many glitches clear after a reboot. Wait about 30 seconds before powering the router back on. Once done, toggle the Wi-Fi off and on from quick settings, then forget the network you are having trouble with. This clears saved credentials and forces a fresh authentication, which often resolves IP or password conflicts quickly. Now you dive into settings to remove deeper causes. Go to the network details and confirm IP mode is DHCP. If it's static, switch back or verify the address, gateway, and DNS. Misconfigured values block access. Next, disable Smart Network Switch or Adaptive Wi-Fi so your phone won't flip networks automatically. Also verify the Wi-Fi MAC address isn't blocked by the router. If the issue could be cellular handoffs, briefly enable airplane mode, then re-enable Wi-Fi to isolate the problem. Finish by resetting network settings if prior steps fail. This clears all saved networks, Bluetooth pairings, and VPNs so you start fresh. Make sure your phone's system software is up to date and check router firmware updates. Compatibility fixes often arrive in updates. Test both 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to find the best connection. If you still have trouble, try another device on the same network to determine whether the router or the phone is at fault. This single test narrows down the solution fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.